Hey everyone, welcome back to English Practice Lab. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we are tackling 3 words that learners mix up all the time.
3 words that seem simple, but there are some very specific rules hiding underneath the surface.
We're talking about wish, hope, and look forward to.
You might be thinking, don't those all mean basically the same thing? Like wanting something good to happen?
That's exactly what most people think. And that's exactly why so many learners make mistakes with them.
Here's the thing. Native speakers can immediately tell when one of these is used incorrectly. It sounds off.
Off is the perfect word. It doesn't sound natural. So today, we're going to fix that once and for all.
If you're new here, welcome. English Practice Lab is all about real, practical English. The kind you can use the moment you step outside.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this episode has something valuable for you. Make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
All right, Sarah, let's start with hope. I think that's the most natural starting point.
Totally agreed. Let's go.
Okay, so hope. When exactly do we use it?
We use hope when we're talking about something in the future, something we genuinely want to happen, but we're not completely sure if it will.
So there's a sense of uncertainty. I want it, but I can't control it.
Exactly. Think about the weather. If I'm planning a picnic this weekend, I might say, I hope it doesn't rain. I can't control the weather. I just want the sun to show up.
I hope it's warm enough to be outside. I hope the wind isn't too strong. These are things we want, but can't guarantee. Here's a key grammar point. After hope, we use a subject and a verb in the present simple. For example, I hope you enjoy the concert tonight. Subject, you. Verb, enjoy. Clear and simple.
Or, I hope she gets the promotion. Subject, verb. It's a very natural structure.
Notice, in everyday speech, it's more natural to say, I hope she gets the promotion, than I hope she will get the promotion. We often drop the will. It flows better.
Quick recap before we move on. Hope is for future situations you want, but can't be certain of. Structure, hope, plus a subject, plus a verb.
A few more examples. I hope the traffic isn't too bad this evening. I hope my boss likes my presentation. I hope they still have tickets available.
And here's a useful one. Hope in the negative. I hope it doesn't take too long. I hope they don't cancel the event.
We also use I hope so and I hope not as short answers. Someone asks, do you think it'll be cold tomorrow? You can say, I hope not. I don't have a coat with me.
So natural, so expressive. All right, now let's get into wish. And this is where things start to get really interesting.
Wish is one of those verbs that has several uses. So let's take them one by one.
Let's start with the big difference between hope and wish, because so many learners mix these up.
Hope is for things that could genuinely happen. Wish is for things that are unlikely, impossible, or things you want to be different from your current reality.
For example, I hope I get a raise this year. That's possible. My boss could decide to give me one. But I wish I earned more money. That's about your present reality. You don't earn as much as you'd like, and you want it to be different.
Wish is like stepping into an imaginary version of reality. And because of that, it takes a special grammar structure.
When you use wish to express something you want to be different right now, in the present, you use a past simple verb.
I know, it sounds strange. You're talking about the present, but the verb moves to the past. The reason is that the past tense signals distance from reality. It's not true. It's imagined.
Like, I wish I lived closer to work, meaning I don't live close to work, but I want to. Or, I wish I spoke French fluently, meaning I don't, not yet, and I really want to.
One important note about the verb to be. In formal or careful English, use were, not was. even with singular subjects.
So it's, I wish I were taller, rather than, I wish I was taller. In casual conversation, both are used. But for formal writing or polished speech, go with were.
Now, wish can also express past regrets, things that happened or didn't happen that you feel sorry about today.
For past regrets, use wish plus the past perfect, had plus the past participle.
For example, I wish I had taken that job offer, meaning I didn't take it and I regret that now. Or I wish we had left earlier. We wouldn't have been stuck in traffic.
So the two main structures are wish plus past simple for present situations, things you want to be different now, and wish plus past perfect for past regrets.
There's one more use of wish, and it's quite different from the others. This is the holiday and special occasion use.
In this case, wish is followed by a person and a noun, not a verb. I wish you a wonderful birthday. I wish you and your family a very happy new year.
I wish you all the success in the world. I wish you health, happiness, and love. These are things you'd write in a card, or say at a wedding, a graduation, or a retirement party.
The structure is wish someone something, a person first, then a noun. I wish you happiness. That's correct. I wish you be happy. That's incorrect. No verb after the person.
This is the one that trips people up the most. Remember, wish someone something. Noun, not a verb.
And compare this directly to hope. If your friend is about to board a plane, you say, I hope you have a safe journey. Not, I wish you have a safe journey. That's a real future event. Hope is the right word there.
Wish someone something is for special moments, celebrations, and heartfelt blessings. Okay, let's move on to our third expression, look forward to.
Look forward to is all about excitement and positive anticipation. You use it when you're genuinely happy about something coming up. You can barely wait for it to arrive. Like, I'm looking forward to the holidays. I'm looking forward to seeing my family. I'm looking forward to the weekend. That last one, I say every single Friday.
But here's the critical grammar rule, and this one surprises a lot of learners.
The to in look forward to is not the infinitive to. It is a preposition.
And when to is a preposition, what follows must be a noun or a gerund. That's the ing form of a verb.
So it's, I'm looking forward to meeting you, not I'm looking forward to meet you. Meeting with an ing.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to starting my new job. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm looking forward to the concert on Friday. That last one uses a simple noun, the concert.
Noun or gerund after look forward to. Never the base form of a verb. Let's make that crystal clear.
Wrong. I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. Right. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Wrong. I look forward to hear the news. Right. I look forward to hearing the news.
Look forward to works in different tenses too. I'm looking forward to it, which is the present continuous. And I look forward to hearing from you, present simple, which is extremely common in professional emails.
That phrase, I look forward to hearing from you, is one of the most used sentences in business writing. If you write emails in English at work, you will need this. Learn it now.
It sounds professional and warm at the same time. You're signaling, I'm engaged, I'm interested, and I genuinely want your reply.
We also use look forward to in the third person. She's looking forward to her trip next month. And in questions, are you looking forward to the conference?
And what are you looking forward to is one of my favorite conversation starters. It's positive, open, and it invites people to share something they're excited about.
Love it. Okay, let's now put all three expressions side by side. This is where everything really clicks into place.
Same situation, 3 different expressions. Let's see how they each work.
Situation 1. Your friend has a job interview tomorrow.
I hope you do really well tomorrow. That's hope, because it's a real future event and you want a good outcome.
Your friend gets the job, and it's their last day at your office. You say, I wish you all the best in your new role. That's wish, a warm, heartfelt send-off for a special moment.
And your friend tells you, I'm looking forward to starting my new position next week. That's look forward to. They're excited and eager about what's ahead.
Situation 2. You're planning a trip with a friend.
I hope the weather is nice when we arrive. That's hope. Future, uncertain, but desired.
Before you leave, a colleague says, I wish you a fantastic trip and safe travels. That's wish, a warm blessing.
And you say, I'm so looking forward to finally being on that beach. That's look forward to. Pure joy and anticipation.
You see how all 3 can live in the same situation, but each one does a completely different job?
Exactly. And once you understand those jobs, choosing the right one becomes second nature.
Let's go through the mistakes we hear most often. Knowing what not to do is just as powerful as knowing what to do.
Mistake 1. I wish you have a great trip.
This mixes up hope and wish. For a real future event, use hope. I hope you have a great trip. Or, as a warm blessing, I wish you a safe and wonderful trip. Remember, noun, no verb after you.
Mistake 2. I wish I live in a bigger house.
Needs the past simple. I wish I lived in a bigger house. Using the present simple after wish is a very common error.
Mistake 3. I'm looking forward to see the concert.
To is a preposition here. It must be followed by a gerund. I'm looking forward to seeing the concert.
Mistake 4. I'm hoping about my exam results.
Hope isn't followed by about. Instead, say, I'm hoping for good results, or I hope my results are good.
Mistake 5. I wished I can speak better English.
2 problems here. First, use the present tense wish, not I wished. Second, use could, not can, because wish requires the past tense for present situations. The correct version is I wish I could speak better English.
Avoid those 5, and you're already well ahead of the average English learner.
Now, let's practice, because grammar without practice is like buying a gym membership and never showing up.
Let's go. I'll give you a situation. John will model the right answer, then you try it yourself at home.
Say it out loud and come back. Speaking is the key to making grammar truly stick.
Situation 1. Your colleague just told you their mother is sick. You want to express that you hope she gets better.
That's a real possible future event. She could recover. So you say, I hope your mother makes a full recovery very soon. Hope plus subject plus verb, heartfelt and correct.
Situation 2. You're graduating from university next week and you can't contain your excitement. Easy. I'm looking forward to graduating next week and starting this new chapter in my life.
Look forward to plus the gerund.
Situation 3. You're at your best friend's wedding. You want to say something meaningful to the couple.
I wish you both a lifetime of love, laughter, and happiness. Wish plus person plus noun phrase. Beautiful and grammatically spot on.
Situation 4. It's been a difficult year, and you have regrets about decisions you made.
I wish things had gone differently this year. Or, I wish I had made better decisions. Wish plus past perfect for looking back with regret.
Situation 5. You just sent an important email to a potential business partner, and you're waiting to hear back.
In the email itself, you'd write, I look forward to hearing from you. But talking with a friend later, you'd say, I'm really hoping they respond positively. Look forward to for anticipation, and hope for the desired outcome.
See how both can fit the same situation but carry different meanings? That nuance is what makes your English truly natural.
Let's wrap up with a quick grammar reference. You can save and revisit anytime.
Hope. For future possibilities you want to happen. Structure. Hope plus subject plus present simple verb. Example. I hope you feel better soon.
Wish. Use one. Present situations you want to be different. Structure. Wish plus past simple. Example. I wish I spoke better Spanish.
Wish. Use two. Past regrets. Structure. Wish plus past perfect. Example. I wish I had studied abroad.
Wish. Use three. Warm blessings for special occasions. Structure. Wish plus person plus noun. Example. I wish you a speedy recovery.
Look forward to. For excitement and anticipation. Structure. Look forward to plus noun or gerund. Example. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Or I'm looking forward to the trip.
Screenshot that. Write it in your notebook or stick it on your wall. These are your anchor points.
And remember, these aren't just textbook rules. Real people use all three of these every single day.
At work, I hope the meeting goes well. I look forward to collaborating with you. I wish you success in your new role.
With friends, I hope you had a good weekend. I'm looking forward to your birthday party. I wish you all the best with your big move.
In emails, cards, and texts, these expressions show up constantly. The more you notice them in movies, podcasts, and real conversations, the more naturally you'll use them yourself.
That's the real goal. Not just knowing the rules, but using the language without thinking about the rules.
Grammar is the foundation. Fluency is the house you build on top. Write that one down, everyone.
All right, that's a wrap on today's episode of English Practice Lab.
We covered hope for future possibilities you want but can't be sure of. Wish for imaginary realities, past regrets, and warm blessings. And look forward to for genuine excitement and anticipation about what's coming.
3 expressions, very different jobs. And now you know exactly how to use each one.
Your challenge this week? Write 3 sentences. One with hope, one with wish, and one with look forward to. Make them personal, real situations from your own life.
Drop them in the comments. We read every single one, and we love seeing your progress.
I hope you found today's episode really useful. See what I did there?
So smooth, John. I look forward to seeing your sentences in the comments.
And I wish you all an amazing week full of English practice and great conversations.
Keep listening, keep practicing, keep growing. This is English Practice Lab.
I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. See you in the next episode.